Your indoor plants are dying right now, and you probably don't even know why yet. The temperatures have dropped, the air in your home is drier than ever, and the sunlight through your window has gone from warm and golden to weak and barely there. And if you're like most people, you're just watching your herbs wilt, your seedlings stall, and your indoor garden slowly give up on you, and thinking there's nothing you can do about it without spending serious money. But here's what nobody is telling you. Everything you need to keep a thriving, beautiful indoor garden all winter long is sitting right now on the shelves of your Dollar Tree for $1.25. I'm not talking about decorative rocks and plastic pots. I'm talking about real, working, tested hacks that will completely change how your plants survive the coldest months of the year. And hack number 9? That one is going to blow your mind. I genuinely couldn't believe it worked until I saw it myself. So let's get into it. 12 Dollar Tree indoor garden hacks that actually work this winter. If you've been watching garden homes for a while, you already know we don't do anything halfway here. Every single hack in this video has been tested, verified, and chosen specifically for indoor winter gardening, which is a completely different challenge than spring or summer gardening. The light is weaker, the air is drier, pests behave differently, and your plants are more stressed than at any other time of year. And every item on this list costs between $1.25 and $5 max. By the end of this video, you will have a complete winter indoor garden system built entirely from Dollar Tree. Let's go. Hack number 1. The viral Dollar Tree mini greenhouse. Let's start with the one that has been breaking the internet, and for very good reason. Dollar Tree carries a seed starting tray with a clear plastic dome lid, and this little thing is an absolute powerhouse for winter gardening. Gardening experts have been calling it the best beginner gardening find at any dollar store, and they are not wrong. Here is exactly why it works so well in winter. When you place that clear dome lid over your seed tray, you create a warm, humid microclimate inside the kind of environment seeds desperately need to germinate when your home's indoor air is cold and dry. The dome traps heat and moisture. Seeds that would normally take 2 to 3 weeks to sprout in dry winter conditions will pop up significantly faster inside that little greenhouse. It sits perfectly on any windowsill or kitchen counter, and because the tray style is open rather than having individual cells, you can fit more seeds in the same space. The one thing to know: once your seedlings pop their first 2 sets of true leaves, move them into individual containers so they don't compete for nutrients. But for just $1.25, you are getting a fully functional mini greenhouse that does exactly what a $30 version from a garden center would do. This one is a must-buy. Go grab 2. Hack number 2. The $1.25 propagation station that looks designer. Here's one that went completely viral on Plant TikTok, and once you see it, you will understand why. Dollar Tree sells a clear flower and floral holder. It's usually in the floral or craft section with 6 perfectly sized holes in the top. And those holes are exactly the right size to hold plant cuttings for propagation. In winter, propagating your existing plants is one of the smartest things you can do. You're not spending money on new plants. You're multiplying what you already have, for free, using cuttings. Pothos, philodendrons, spider plants, herbs like mint and basil, all of them root beautifully in water. The problem is, most people just stick cuttings in random cups and jars that tip over, or the cuttings fall in and rot. This Dollar Tree holder keeps every single cutting upright, separated, with the stem suspended perfectly in the water so roots can grow without being smothered. It holds a good amount of water so you don't have to refill constantly, and it honestly looks like something from a boutique plant shop. People have said it looks way more expensive than $1.25, and that's because it does. Fill it with your cuttings, set it in a bright window, change the water every 5 to 7 days, and watch your plant family multiply all winter long for free. Hack number 3. The space-saving vertical herb tower. Winter means less counter space, less window space, and more time spent cooking inside, which is actually the perfect time to grow your own fresh herbs. And Dollar Tree's garden collection, 3-section stackable planters are the exact tool you need to make that happen, even in the tiniest apartment or kitchen. These planters stack on top of each other vertically, and each section already has designated drainage holes. You just need a screwdriver to pop the tabs out. What this gives you is a tower of growing space, using almost no horizontal footprint. Tuck it into a corner near your brightest south-facing window, and you have a full herb garden growing upward instead of outward. Basil on top, it needs the most light. Parsley in the middle. chives, or mint at the bottom because they're the most forgiving with lower light. The whole tower costs you less than $4 and gives you fresh herbs on demand all winter, while everyone else is paying $3 a bunch at the grocery store for the same thing. That math alone makes this one of the most valuable hacks on this list. Hack number 4. The DIY Grow Light Bulb Upgrade. Here is the honest truth about winter indoor gardening that most people do not want to accept. Your window alone is probably not enough. In states like Ohio, Michigan, Illinois, Pennsylvania, anywhere that gets heavy cloud cover from November through February, your plants are running on maybe 4 to 5 hours of usable light per day. That is not enough to keep most herbs or seedlings thriving. But here's where Dollar Tree surprises everyone. They carry grow light bulbs, actual full-spectrum grow bulbs that screw directly into any standard lamp you already own. You do not need to buy a fancy grow light system. You do not need to spend $80 on a setup. Grab one of these bulbs, screw it into a clip lamp or a desk lamp you already have sitting around. Position it 6 to 12 inches above your plants, and run it for 12 to 14 hours a day. Your plants literally cannot tell the difference between that bulb and the sun, because full-spectrum light is full-spectrum light. Seedlings will grow stronger, herbs will produce more, and your winter garden will stop struggling. This one single change can be the difference between plants that survive winter and plants that thrive through it. Check your local Dollar Tree because these sell out. Grab 2 when you see them. Hack number 5. The Glass Gem Humidity Tray. If you live in a home with forced air heat running all winter, your indoor humidity is probably sitting somewhere between 20 and 30%. Most houseplants and herbs want 40 to 60% humidity to be happy. That gap is why your plants get crispy edges, why leaves start curling, and why your herbs bolt or dry out way faster than they should. The fix is a humidity tray, and Dollar Tree makes this stupidly simple. Grab a shallow dish or tray from the kitchen section, and a bag of their decorative glass gems from the craft aisle. Fill the dish with the gems. Add water up to just below the top of the gems, and set your plant pot on top. As the water evaporates throughout the day, it releases moisture directly around your plant. This creates a localized humidity bubble right where your plants need it without a humidifier, without any electricity, and without spending more than $3 total. Set several of these up near your herb tower and your propagation station, and you have essentially created a microclimate in that part of your home that your plants will love all winter long. Dead simple. Completely effective. Hack number 6. The Wire Basket Garden Cloche. Traditional garden cloches, those beautiful glass bell jars you see in magazines, run anywhere from $25 to $60 each. But one of the most beloved Dollar Tree hacks in the entire gardening community gives you the same function for $1.25. Dollar Tree wire waste baskets, flipped upside down over your potted plants, act as a perfect protective cloche. The wire mesh structure allows airflow so your plant doesn't suffocate. It blocks drafts from cold windows and air vents, which is a huge winter killer for houseplants. It protects delicate seedlings from being knocked over by kids or pets. And the open wire structure even lets bees and beneficial insects access your plants if you ever move them outside temporarily. The best part is they come in multiple sizes, so you can cover everything from tiny herb pots to larger container plants. Stash a few of these in your Dollar Tree cart. They have uses year-round. But in winter, they are genuinely protecting your plants from one of the most underrated threats: cold drafts moving across your windowsill. Okay, we are halfway through and you have already got 6 hacks that could completely transform your indoor winter garden. But I want you to stay with me, because hack 9 is one that I had never seen anyone use for indoor plants before I tried it myself. And hack 11 is a bonus that most gardeners in America completely overlook every single winter. Do not go anywhere. Hack number 7. The plant label system that actually saves your garden. This one sounds so simple that people always skip it and then they lose half their herbs because of it. Dollar Tree's garden collection carries 10-count packs of plastic plant labels for $1.50. That is 15 cents per label. And labeling your plants in winter is genuinely more important than in any other season. Here is why. In winter, you're bringing plants indoors, starting seedlings, propagating cuttings, and moving pots around constantly. Everything starts to look the same. Basil and cilantro seedlings look nearly identical at the 2-leaf stage. Rosemary and thyme look like twins until they're several inches tall. Without labels, you are guessing, and when you're watering, feeding, and adjusting light based on guesses, You will overwater the drought-tolerant herbs and underwater the thirsty ones. 15 cents a label. Write the plant name, the date you planted or propagated it, and whether it likes high or low water. Stick it in the pot. Never guess again. This is one of those hacks that the best gardeners in America call obvious after they spend a full season losing plants because they skipped it. Hack number 8. The self-watering container system. One of the biggest winter plant killers is inconsistent watering, and it's not because people forget to water. It's because forced air heat makes soil dry out at unpredictable rates. You water on Monday, and the soil is bone dry by Wednesday. You water again on Wednesday, and by Saturday it's still damp because a cloudy week meant less evaporation. The inconsistency stresses roots and makes plants vulnerable. Dollar Tree's food storage containers are the perfect base for a DIY self-watering system. Here's how it works. Take one larger container and one slightly smaller container that nests inside it. Fill the bottom of the large container with water that's your reservoir. Fill the smaller container with your potting mix and plant. Cut or poke a small hole in the bottom of the inner container and feed a strip of fabric or a piece of cotton rope through it, so one end sits in the water reservoir. That fabric wick draws water upward into the soil, constantly and slowly, delivering exactly as much water as your plant roots need, no more, no less. This is called wicking or passive self-watering, and it is the same principle behind $100 self-watering planters you see at garden centers. Dollar Tree food storage containers under $2 total. Game changer for anyone who travels, works long hours, or just wants to stop stressing about watering schedules all winter. Hack number 9. The mesh bag root protection trick. This is the one I mentioned at the beginning, the one I had never seen used for indoor plants before I tried it. Dollar Tree sells Essentials mesh laundry bags, and every serious indoor winter gardener should have a stack of these. Here is the indoor hack. When you're repotting plants in winter, which you should do carefully and only when necessary, line the bottom of your new pot with a small piece of mesh laundry bag before adding soil. It covers the drainage hole completely, so soil doesn't wash out every time you water, but water still drains freely through the mesh. This means your pot drainage stays clean and effective all winter, and your plants never sit in waterlogged soil, which is the #1 cause of root rot in indoor winter plants. The second use. If you have any plants near a heating vent, which I know many of you do, because that's where the warm spots are, place a mesh bag loosely over the top of the pot to diffuse the dry, hot air before it hits your plants. Leaves directly. It filters it, reduces the desiccation, keeps your plant from drying out in the most brutal spots in the house. A 5-pack of mesh bags at Dollar Tree is less than $2, and the uses don't stop there. But for winter indoor gardening, these 2 uses alone are worth every penny. Hack number 10. The wire wreath form trellis. Dollar Tree's craft aisle carries wire wreath forms, the circular wire rings that are meant for making holiday wreaths. And what most gardeners don't realize is that these make extraordinary trellises for indoor climbing and vining plants. In winter, you've probably brought in any outdoor climbers you want to save: jasmine, small-scale climbing roses, even sweet potato vine. Or maybe you've got pothos or philodendron that's getting leggy and you want to train it to climb rather than trail. Take a wire wreath form, bend it into a cone shape, and press the narrow end down into your pot. You now have a freestanding, perfectly shaped climbing support that your plant can wrap around and grow up. You can also use 2 forms connected together to create a beautiful spherical trellis, an orb shape that trailing plants will grow around into a stunning living ball. This is the kind of thing that looks like a high-end garden center display piece. It costs $1.25. The gap between what this looks like and what it costs is genuinely one of the biggest Dollar Tree wins on this entire list. Hack number 11. The decorative stone moisture lock. Winter indoor gardening has a watering paradox. The forced hot air in your home dries out the top layer of your soil constantly, which makes it look and feel dry, even when the deeper roots have plenty of moisture. Most people see dry surface soil and water again and end up overwatering, causing root rot, right in the middle of winter when plants are already stressed. Dollar Tree's decorative glass gems and stones from the craft aisle solve this completely. Pour a layer of them on top of your potting soil, just enough to cover the surface, and suddenly, the top of your pot no longer evaporates moisture into the air at the same rate. The stones act as a mulch layer. They lock in the moisture below, reduce how often you need to water, and keep the root zone more stable and consistent. And they look absolutely beautiful doing it. Turquoise, amber, clear, mixed colors, your pots go from basic plastic containers to something that looks intentional and designed. This is one of those hacks that costs under $2 and simultaneously makes your plants healthier and your home more beautiful. That's a very rare combination, and Dollar Tree nails it. Hack number 12. The Buzzy Grow Kit, your complete winter beginner starter. The last hack is for anyone who has been watching this video thinking, I love all of this, but I don't even know where to start. And this one is also a great gift if you know someone who wants to get into gardening but feels overwhelmed. Dollar Tree carries the Buzzy brand children's grow kits, and do not let the children's label fool you. These kits include a pot, soil medium, seeds, and full instructions, everything you need to grow an actual plant for $1.50. The options include herbs, vegetables, and flowers. Basil, carrot, marigold, depending on your store's stock. What makes these brilliant for winter is that they're completely self-contained. No guessing which soil, which pot, how many seeds. Everything is calibrated and included. You literally just add water, set it near your brightest window or under your Dollar Tree Grow light bulb, and within a couple of weeks, you have a living plant you grew entirely from scratch. If you've been wanting to start a winter indoor garden but kept putting it off because it felt complicated, this kit is your entry point. $1.50. No excuses. I want to be real with you because I think honesty is what actually builds a real community here. Not everything at Dollar Tree is worth your money when it comes to gardening, and knowing what to skip is just as valuable as knowing what to grab. Skip the Dollar Tree potting soil. The quality is inconsistent, it often doesn't drain well, and for something your plants literally live in, it is worth spending a few extra dollars at a hardware store or garden center on a quality mix. Skip the garden gloves if you're doing any heavy work. They're fine for light tasks, but tear quickly and won't protect your hands well over time. And be cautious with the fertilizer spikes, they work in a pinch, but the nutrient ratios aren't always ideal for every plant type. Use them as a supplement, not your main feeding strategy. Everything else on this list? Buy multiples. Stock up now before winter gardening season peaks and these items start selling out. So there you have it, 12 Dollar Tree indoor garden hacks that actually work this winter. We started with a clear plastic dome that turns any windowsill into a seed greenhouse. We built a vertical herb tower for under $4. We set up a self-watering system that runs itself, a propagation station that multiplies your plants for free, and a humidity tray that makes the dry winter air work with your plants instead of against them. And we did all of it for the price of one overpriced latte. Your indoor garden doesn't have to struggle through winter. It doesn't have to cost you a lot. It just needs the right hacks, and now you have 12 of them. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button because we drop budget garden content every single week on this channel. And if you want to take your indoor setup to the next level, watch my video on budget backyard transformations right after this one. The link is on your screen right now. Drop the number of the hack you're trying first down in the comments. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video.